What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, the build, the truck, lots more fun stuff we're doing today. Definitely, if you missed the last video, go check it out. This thing is looking insane. This paint job, we gave it a full cut and buff and turned out amazing. So definitely go check that one out. I'll have it linked up. You can go check out the mirror right here. So today what I want to get done is kind of get the interior back together, get the rear windows in, just kind of button that up, and then I need to complete these doors. They're all stripped, so I need to fill those bad boys back up. Another thing we got to do is get this antenna in, and I wanted to show you guys before I put it all in, there is a solution to the broken Toyota antennas. These things are always broken. I guarantee if you got an 80s Toyota, your antenna's broken. And they're hard to find, obviously, because they're all broken. But there's a solution. This is an aftermarket antenna that is basically like factory, if it'll focus on that thing. So it's all like factory. It's not like one of those universal aftermarkets. It's actually made for these trucks. So I will link this down in the description. They are dirt cheap. They mount great. They work. And little solution for our broken antenna problem. So I'm gonna get that mounted up, see how it fits. There it is. She looks factory. Got a nice long antenna. I might swap that out for a little shorty Amazon special, but all in all, I think fits pretty good. Bolted up in there. Looks stock, and it ain't broken, so that's a plus. So now I'm gonna tackle these rear windows, these side windows here. And actually, from factory, they're sealed. So I'm gonna get, I think I have a little bit of a windshield sealant, or I use it on my headlights actually when I take them all apart. So I'm gonna just put a little bit around those bolt holes, seal that up, get those windows, get the gaskets in, and then I can go inside and button up all that, the side panels, get everything, the latches on, seat belts back on, all that good stuff. Alright guys, we got all the glass in. These doors are together other than panels. I got to figure out what I'm doing with panels, so that'll be on another day. But got all the got the hood, door, mirrors, everything on, and this thing's looking sweet. I like the really like those color matched mirrors. I think it flows really good. They don't really stand out, so really liking that. So next I'm gonna get the whole front end, the grill, bumper. Then I want to get the flatbed on it. And then we can throw our wheels and tires back on and really get a good idea of what this thing's gonna look like. Alright guys, got this thing all back together, got it outside. Let's check it out, see how it looks. Still just a couple little things to button up. Gotta align the fenders, got my little windshield cowl. A couple little things, but for the most part, that is complete. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. So didn't have a whole lot of questions. I do keep getting comments about this body line right here. You can see, so that body line kind of fades out and people keep asking me if that's a dent. And to answer your question, no, that's not a dent. I guess you can see right there where it fades out. And it's like that on both doors. I'll show you this one too. You can see right there, fades out. Just a factory body line that kind of, like I said, just fades out into the door. Another question I keep getting now is future builds. What are we doing next? What are we doing with the truck next? So we got some interior stuff to finish up on the truck. I want to get door panels in, a head unit, some speakers, some sound upgrades. We got to do a windshield, and I'm gonna do window tint all the way around. So we got a few more things, and then also a clutch. This clutch is still slipping, so I have ordered a new clutch. So once that comes in, we will throw a clutch in it and see how that does. As far as future builds, I got a couple plans brewing up. I'm not going to tell you guys quite yet. It's nothing set in stone, so once I figure out a plan for the next build, we will get started on that. But I want to get this thing fully finished, get everything I want to get done to it, I want to get done. So yeah, and then we can start the new build. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.